In this video we're going to be going over a quick guide of how we can connect our webmail email over to a Gmail email to make it easier for deliverability and also usability, because you can now use it straight from your Gmail, send from your Gmail and use it from your phone. We're going to be using our email from SeekaHost.app, and from here we're going to come to email accounts. If you haven't created your email yet, simply put in the first part of your email, such as info or contact or admin, at whatever your domain name is, and then create and confirm a password. It will then show underneath here. We need to take a few bits of information, such as the email name, the password, which you can check here if you've forgotten it, or click in the information page. This is going to be important. The information page has such information such as our ingoing and outgoing server names and port numbers, which we're going to need. It might sound a little complicated, but trust me, it's easy and we can get it done in 5 minutes. So back to the Gmail account that we want to link up with the webmail. You're going to come over to the settings option over here. You're going to go down to see all settings, and then we're going to go over to accounts and import. Here we're going to come down to check mail from other accounts, and we're going to go to add a mail account. On this page, fill in the email from the webmail or your hosted email from your other hosting, then go to next. We're going to leave it as import emails from my other account, POP3. Then go to next. Your username is simply going to be your email address again. Your password is going to be your email password. So this password right here that we created when we created the email. Now the POP server and the port we're going to locate from that little information button right here. So our POP server name is going to be either one of this one or the next one here. So I'm just going to copy the top one. That's mail.hostedemail.com. Let's add that in for our POP server. Our POP3 server is going to be the port 995. That's if you want SSL enabled. Here you can choose whether to leave a copy of the message on the server itself, because otherwise it's just going to simply take your email over from here and it's going to put it straight to your Gmail. If you want to leave a copy on there, click this. Now if we're using an SSL enabled POP3, I'm going to check the SSL as well. I'm going to check label incoming messages so I know which messages are from what email, and you can also choose to archive incoming messages. I'm going to leave that as unchecked and then go to add account. Here it's going to ask you whether you also want to be able to send as this email. Unless you don't want to send as this email, we're going to leave yes as checked and then go to next. I'm going to keep the name as the name of the domain, so UK business page, however you can change this for you. And it's going to be as the name's going to come up for the email when you use this to send through Gmail. And you can also send it as an alias. I would normally leave this ticked. If you want to check more information, click on the learn more here and it'll explain more about aliases. And then go to next step. Here we need to add the SMTP server. So again, I'm going to go ahead and copy this top one here, which is mail.hostedemail.com. I'm going to add this as the server. The SMTP port with SSL enabled is 465, so I'm going to change that to 465. That should automatically switch over to SSL now. Add in the username, which is your email address, and the password for that email address that you created on webmail. Then go ahead to add account. Providing everything was added successfully, it's now going to send you a confirmation email to your webmail account. If you now go back to your Gmail, you're going to find that they've all been imported over for your webmail straight away, and you've actually got the confirmation email right here. To confirm, click after the second paragraph on the link for the request. Then go ahead and click confirm, and confirmation has now been successful. You can now use this Gmail account to email as the other webmail account. All the emails will now be forwarded here. You can also check them out just by using the label, so you can make sure that you're just checking out this particular email. And if I go to compose, I can also now change the sending user to the webmail account and send it straight from my Gmail. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget, with our WordPress hosting on SeekaHost.app, you actually get one free email account for every site. So every WordPress site that you have installed with us, you also get a free email that you can connect with your Gmail.